want to make sure you guys saw this, all right? So, as you can see, that's my OBD2 connector. You guys see that? All right, it grounded, and, oh, can you see it? Cool. So, I blew a 20 amp fuse. I'm glad I had this guy, otherwise, see my finger? Yeah, it's bloody. Anyway, so I replaced it with a 7.5 right here. That's the starting one. See if I can, there you go. That's it right there. That's the one that I replaced. So I'm actually driving home tonight. But thing is, it took me about, maybe 30 minutes to figure it out. And wouldn't you know it, I did not have any spare. I had one spare fuse with this, which was the 7.5. That was it. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm going home now. But, oh God, like everything else I did, from the exhaust, all the other stuff, this thing saved my ass today, I'll tell you that right now. All right? Whoa. Anyway. Whew. Dude. That's all I gotta say. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna go warm up for a little bit. But yeah, man, crazy.